But what exactly is Onyxcoin? What sets it apart from the myriad of other cryptocurrencies out there? What makes it different from the hundreds of other digital coins vying for your attention? Is it the technology behind it, the team, or perhaps its vision for the future? Is it just another flash in the pan, or could it be a game changer? The potential for explosive growth is there, but so are the risks. Buckle up, dear viewers, as we attempt to decode the enigma that is Onyxcoin. We'll explore its origins, its current standing, and what the future might hold for this intriguing digital currency. Stay tuned. So, where does Onyxcoin stand today? As of January 28, 2025, one shiny XCN will set you back a cool $0.029447. But hold on to your hats, folks, because the experts over at predict that this little digital nugget could be worth a whopping $0.084014 within a month. That's a potential increase of 217.70%. Now, before you remortgage your house and invest your life savings, remember that these are just predictions, not guarantees. The cryptocurrency market is about as predictable as a toddler on a sugar rush. Let's gaze further into the future, shall we? The world of cryptocurrency is ever evolving, and predicting its trajectory can feel like peering into a crystal ball. But with some educated guesses and expert analysis, we can get a glimpse of what might be in store. What does the rest of 2025 hold for Onyxcoin? As we move through the months, the landscape of digital currencies continues to shift, influenced by market trends, technological advancements, and global economic factors. Predicts that XCN could be bouncing around between $0.026445 and $0.120485. This fluctuation reflects the volatile nature of the crypto market, where prices can swing dramatically in short periods. That's quite a range, I know. Such volatility can be both an opportunity and a risk for investors. It's essential to stay informed and be prepared for these ups and downs. But if you're feeling optimistic, the average price prediction for the year is a healthy $0.068637. This suggests a potential for growth, especially if market conditions remain favorable and adoption rates increase. Looking even further ahead, things get a bit hazy, like trying to predict the weather in England. Long-term forecasts in the crypto world are notoriously tricky, given the myriad of factors that can influence prices. Suggests that XCN could reach an average of $0.092045 by 2029, with a potential high of $0.155595. These projections indicate a possible upward trend, but they should be taken with caution. But remember, folks, these long-term predictions are about as reliable as a politician's promise. The crypto market is influenced by so many unpredictable elements, from regulatory changes to technological breakthroughs. Treat them with a healthy dose of skepticism. Always do your own research and consider multiple sources before making any investment decisions. The future of XCN, like all cryptocurrencies, is uncertain, but staying informed can help you navigate this exciting and unpredictable landscape. Section 4. Decoding the technical jargon. A look at the indicators. Now, I know what you're thinking, John. This is all well and good, but what about the technical mumbo-jumbo? Don't worry, I'm not going to bombard you with confusing charts and graphs. Well, maybe just a few. Instead, let's take a step-by-step approach to understand some of the most crucial indicators that analysts use. Let's break down some of the key indicators that analysts use to predict the future of Onyxcoin. These indicators are like the weather forecast for the financial markets, giving us clues about what might happen next. First up, we have the Fear and Greed Index, which, as the name suggests, measures how greedy or fearful investors are feeling. This index is a sentiment indicator, and it can be incredibly telling about the market's mood. Right now, the index is sitting at a rather greedy 72. A high value like this often suggests that investors are getting overly confident, which can sometimes precede a market correction. Then there's the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, which tells us if a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that ranges from 0 to 100. Onyxcoin's RSI is currently at 85.60, indicating that it might be a tad overbought. When the RSI is above 70, it often signals that the asset is overbought and could be due for a pullback. Finally, we have the moving averages, which are basically lines on a chart that show the average price of XCN over a certain period. Moving averages help smooth out price action and can indicate the overall trend direction. Analysts often look at different types of moving averages, such as the simple moving average, SMA, and the exponential moving average, EMA. These can help identify support and resistance levels, making them invaluable tools for traders. By understanding these indicators, you can get a better grasp of the market's current state and make more informed decisions. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, these tools can be incredibly useful in navigating the complex world of cryptocurrency. Section 5. The allure of potential gains. A word of caution. Now I know what you're thinking, John, this all sounds too good to be true. Is there a catch? Well, my friends, as with all things in life, especially those involving large sums of money, there are always risks. The cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile. It's like riding a roller coaster blindfolded while someone throws darts at you. What goes up can come crashing down just as quickly. Remember those predictions we talked about earlier? Well, they could be as wrong as a weather forecast in England. Section 6, the Onyxcoin story, innovation and disruption. So far, we've focused on the numbers, but what about the story behind Onyxcoin? What makes it tick? Unfortunately, not even the most powerful Google search can provide a clear answer. Information about Onyxcoin's technology, its team, and its long-term vision is scarce, like finding a decent cup of tea in America. This lack of transparency is a red flag, my friends. It's like buying a used car without looking under the hood. You might get lucky, or you might end up with a lemon. Section 7. Proceed with caution. Always consult your financial advisor. So there you have it, folks. Onyxcoin, a cryptocurrency shrouded in mystery, with the potential for massive gains but also significant risks. If you're thinking of investing, remember this is not financial advice. I'm just a comedian with a microphone and a healthy distrust of anything that promises to make you rich quickly. Before you part with your hard-earned cash, do your research, understand the risks, and most importantly, talk to a qualified financial advisor. Remember, folks, when it comes to investing, it's better to be safe than sorry.